Bathtubs come in many different shapes, sizes, and styles, but the most common one by far is one just like this, 60-inch, 5 foot, and 30 or 32 inches wide, and 14, 16, or 18 inches tall. Now it's called an alcove tub because it's installed with walls called the bath surround on 3 sides. Now when it's time to replace a tub like this, it's usually part of a much bigger bathroom renovation. Here's why. See this flange right here? This is designed to prevent water from leaking down in behind the wall. But for it to work properly, it must be installed behind the tile on all 3 sides. So to remove the tub, you'll need to remove the tile, usually down to the studs. Once the tub surround is completely removed, you can disconnect the plumbing. Using a screwdriver, remove the drain screen. And then you can use a special tub drain wrench to remove the drain plug. Then remove the overflow plate and the stopper assembly. If you don't have access to the drain connections from an unfinished room below, you'll need to cut through the walls or ceiling to expose the drain lines. Once you have access, remove the drain and the overflow by cutting through the pipes or by unscrewing the threaded connections. Now we're ready to remove the bathtub. This tub is cast iron, which makes it very heavy. So we're going to use a sledgehammer to break it into pieces. Be sure to wear safety glasses, and you could cover the tub with a drop cloth to prevent flying debris. Now, if you have an acrylic or a fiberglass tub, you should be able to cut it up with a reciprocating saw like this. Porcelain enamel steel tubs should be removed in one piece. Some tubs are meant to be installed in a bed of mortar. The mortar will help support the tub from flex when you step into it. Also help to level that tub perfectly. But it's always important to follow the manufacturer's instructions. Now the tub we're installing doesn't require a mortar bed. It has this reinforced foundation right here, so all you really need is a firm subfloor that's level. For this installation, we decided to add new plywood on top of the original subfloor to bring it to the correct height and to make it perfectly level. Next, we placed the new acrylic bathtub in the opening and confirmed that it was level. We pre-drilled the flange and secured the tub to the studs with 2-inch exterior panhead screws. You may need to add shims between the flange and the stud. The next step is to install the new bath waste and overflow. Hold the overflow against the back of the tub and then insert the stopper linkage down into the overflow and attach the faceplate with the screws provided. From below, attach the bath tee to the overflow pipe and then install the bath shoe into the bath tee, making sure that it aligns exactly with the hole in the tub. Don't forget the gaskets that go between the tub and the bath shoe. Install a P-trap to the bath waste and overflow, and then make the connections to the existing drain line. The last step is to make a watertight connection between the tub and the tub shoe. Now in this installation, we're using silicone caulking. Just tighten it up with your tub drain wrench and attach the cover plate. Replacing a bathtub can be complicated, and every installation is different. Even if you know all the steps, you may still want to work with a licensed plumber to ensure that your project meets all local building codes. But once the new tub is in place and plumbed correctly, you'll be well on your way to a new and improved bathroom.